So hi everyone, I've decided to post this video of us on our one of our daily walks. Not necessarily daily walks, but we took our daughter to our almost daily walks kasi gusto namin siya syempre
Kasi
surrounded with
nagtiros
different
ka
kinds
siya.
of
Hindi ko na
things
mahanap yung
para yung alam mo yun,
Kaya
yung
nga.
curiosity niya nandun pa din.
Bumili nga ulit
And
ako
that's her
isa
tita
eh.
Eva, a very close friend of my mom's.
Silaw daw siya.
And explain ko dyan na yung hikaw niya ay magkaiba. Kasi nawala yung isa.
Tawag ka, tawag.
And that guy, the black wearing short guy, that's my uncle. My dad's
Isab ka
brother.
daw, nangisab ka daw.
And
Yung ilong mo pala, di
the
ba?
stroller that Esme is on is one of the best strollers we've ever had. We've had, I think, 3. That's our 3rd stroller. Kasi yan ay tawag na namin dyan 4x4. Kasi ang sobrang strong talaga niya. So we're just strolling around Pasig City. Mostly, kasi malapit kami sa simbahan ng Pasig, yung malaki. Tapos sa City Hall, yung ginagawa ngayon. And one of our daily walks always consists of me getting coffee.
Kaya bukas na ulit. Uy. May pares yung sa kanila.
Pares. Magulugo na lang pala.
And we're going to pass through Alex Lugawan, one of the famous kainan dito sa Pasig City. I think tagal-tagal na niyan. And yung may-ari niyan is one of my tita's friends. So, yeah. Pag umuwi sila from Canada, they always make sure na nabivisit nila yung lugaw. Kasi nga, sobrang nami-miss din naman nila yung authentic Alex Lugawan, di ba? So, we're just walking. End of this street is yung crossing ng papunta dun sa simbahan, yung orange na yun. And then, we're just going to get some coffee yung sa left side niyan, mga kainan. And ang sarap dyan, dun sa Yaki Yaki, Japanese food siya.